Hey up, and welcome to this relatively short video, I hope. And the past 2 days the weather's been crap, been heavy rain, a little bit of sleet and ice, and today the weather's broke. And I was going to come out first thing this morning, and I had lazy photographer syndrome, laid in bed, and then decided that I wanted to come out for a walk. So I've come local, and I'm just starting to edit the Ingleton waterfall trail video, and it's going to be quite a long one. Well, it's going to take a while to edit it because I want it to come out a certain way, and next week the weather is looking even worse. So if I don't come out today and get some photography, I'm going to be in for 2 weeks. So what have we got here? I've come local, I'm not far from home, probably a 10-minute drive. I'm just taking a circular walk just to see what I can get. Here's a shot I took of Wollaton Hall in Nottingham. So I live in Nottingham. This is Wollaton Hall in the mist in the distance. None of these shots are going to be award winning, I don't think. They're not going to be portfolio shots, but it's just to come out and get something in the bag and not sit there at the computer. The sun, as you can see, is well up in the sky, but the light's not too bad. We have got some mist. They did forecast fog today, and fog's not materialised. It might come later. I'll be back home then, editing. But I just wanted to come out and get some shots. Here's a shot of Ratcliffe Onshore Power Station with all the vapour coming out of it. Again, nothing amazing, but I've got my 70 to 200mm lens on at the moment, and I'm making use of the compression, and I'm thinking at the moment of a 400mm. So I suppose this morning is a bit of, let's put the 70 to 200mm on and see how we get on, and do we actually need a 400mm lens? I think we do, but I've got to convince the boss. So I'm going to carry on walking. It looks like the best shots are facing into the sun, because that's where we can see this haze in front of us. But this is just about an early morning walk, seeing what we can get. It's going to be quick compositions in this video. So we've got a letterbox composition in front of me, a big tree to the right. I'm going to guess it's an oak tree, might be, don't know. And then we've got some smaller trees in the shot. In the foreground we've got some hedgerow. I think it's hedgerow, sounding good now. Okay, another shot here. Got some trees in the background, got the path below, and we've got this tree, quite a large tree canopy above. I like that. Don't know if it's going to come out or not, but you're looking at it now. Another quick shot behind me, these trees, very simple. I've had to do a bit of work though, because I've had to move away. I've put 24 to 70 lens on, and just to get the shot I wanted, and not sure whether this is going to work. Have a look at it now. Using the lines in this field with the trees in the background, it's going to be a letterbox crop. Here it is. Ooh, let's also throw in a lone tree. Why not? So if you've watched my Sherwood Forest video, you'll notice I found a pool of ice, and I've got another one here, and I've been taking some shots here. Another quickie right behind me. Got some ice in the field and then some trees behind, probably a square crop. This one, let's have a look. Okay, I've just met a really nice young man on his bike called Donovan, and we had a good old chinwag about photography. He's got a dark room, I had a dark room. He's into film and digital, and he was asking me about my D850, and I told him this is the first time I've got a camera and I'm not looking for the next one up. This camera, the Nikon D850, has hit the ceiling for me in image quality. So if you're watching this, Donovan, that was a real great reminiscence of the past, and it brought all my memories back of choking myself in the dark room on the chemicals. And yeah, nice to meet you. Enjoy your film photography, and if you get another camera, Nikon D850. Just can't resist these pools of ice, particularly when they're intact, and we all seem to have trees above them, which may fit into a shot. So we're going to go 14mm again, and we're going to put the camera on the ice. I've got to be careful because the ice is starting to melt. The camera might just drop through. Crikey, down there's some ginormous pools of ice. Wow, what can we do with those? Having got close up, the ice has partly melted, so I'm not going to be able to rest the camera on it. I'm going to go further down. There's two more patches further down. Let's see if they're still frozen. And there's a scene there in the background. There's some trees, there's the path. Maybe if I pick these two ice patches at the front, we'll end up with a shot. Well, I just stopped for a quick drink, as you do, and I turned round and there's actually another shot looking this way with the trees, and it's probably got stronger looking trees in, so we're going to turn round and we're going to take the shot looking in that direction as well. So here's that shot. We'll make this the last one of this speedy morning of photography, but by God, I really enjoyed it, and I'm definitely going to do it again when the snow comes down, because this area is accessible to me. I could walk here from home, it's that accessible. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you like the content, share the video, give it a like, and I'll see you later on the next one.